Hey everyone, I am Vaibhav आपके. Welcome to my Core Java interview question playlist. And today's date. Today we shall see about polymorphism. Polymorphism fundamentals concept in object-oriented programming. So let's explore the concept of polymorphism and understand how it's enable code reusability and flexibility. Okay. So first question is, what is polymorphism? Polymorphism came from two Greek words, poly and morphism. Okay, poly and morphism. So morphs, actually it's morphs, which means many form. Okay, so this definition you people see many college and universities books. There they told poly means many and morphs means form, many forms. Okay, so polymorphism means many form, but the best way to tell definition of polymorphism is an ability to take more than one form. Okay, so how can, and my second question is, how can we achieve polymorphism? We can achieve polymorphism by using overloading and overriding. So there is another two question is there. What is mean by overloading and what is mean by overriding? Today we will see what is overloading with theoretically or practically also, and overriding we will see in next lecture. Okay, so what is overloading or method overloading? It is the process of defining multiple method with same method name but with different parameters in same class or in derived class. In overloading, which method will execute was decided based on the number of values, order of values and types of values that we pass at the time of calling method. Okay, so let's see practically how it's work. So I just create one java file, new java. Okay, so my class name is method overloading 1. Okay, 1. This is my class name, guys, and inside that I just create one public void show. Okay, and this is my method name, guys. Inside that I just write simple output statement, system dot out dot println, and I write here I am in without parameter. I am in without parameter method. Okay, so next I will create next method that is with parameter. Okay, guys, same name but different parameter. Okay, let's see, int x, and here I just supposed to write I am in with single parameter method. Okay, and I suppose write here the value of x. Okay, third one is multiple parameter, just like a comma int b. Okay, and I just with the same types of two parameter methods. Okay, and here suppose I write plus a plus space plus b. Okay, here also I will type space space and plus, and here also I will write plus space and method. Okay, so next one is I just write copy this method again, and different types of parameter, different types in the sense here I just write integer types of parameter. I just get here integer types of parameter. Okay, so next method I will just do different types of parameter. One is my integer and second one is string. Okay, string b, and I supposed to write here again different types of two parameter. Okay guys, so just call to this method. How we call to method? How? With the help of object, because this is my instance method guys. Okay, this is not static method. So I will just call one is I just type m is equals to new my class name guys, and this is okay. So what is this? This is my class name, this is my object name, this is new equals to parameter equals to operator, and this is new keyword and class name again. This is the syntax of creating an object guys. Okay, and with the help of object I just call to my first method, that is show. Okay, there not have any parameter, so I just simply call it. Okay, and same as like this I just pass to my first method and first parameter. Okay, only one parameter. Suppose I write here 1. Okay, second one is same like that, and pass the two parameter 2, 3, and third one is my different types of two parameter method. So I write here again 4, string. Okay, my name. Okay, just supposed to save this file in my directory. Control save, Control V, and Java. This is already saved, so I just compile it and run it. Okay, inside E interview questions, just click on CMD, and with the help of Java C compiler, I just call to my file. This is my file name guys. There is one error where unclosed string. Okay, what I did here, don't close the string parameter, second parenthesis. Okay, again go here, compile it. Yes, it's successfully compiled guys, and I just run this with the help of class name and Java keyword. Okay, so see guys, this is my output. See, I am in without parameter method, I am in with single parameter method, I am in with same types of two parameter method, I am in with different types of two parameter in fourth. This is my output. Okay, and paste here after this out program. Okay, we can copy or comment it like this. Okay, this is the in Java we will comment with the help of asterisk and close Okay, so again copy from compilation query also. Where is my compile? This is the compile. Actually it's copy already na. Yes, this is for compilation. I just write here compilation. Okay, and for this run. Okay, because of this only you will be more clarified. Okay, and save this code. After this I just paste here. Thank you guys for watching this video. I, I think you will be more